Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a QR code on Wix. All right, so first up, we would need to open up Canva. Okay, and once you're here, go ahead and go to custom size. Click on it. I got to type in 1080 by 1080, like so, pixels. All right, create a new design. Wait for it to open. Once done, go ahead and go to apps right here. Click on it. And go ahead and find QR code. Hit enter. Now you can go ahead and use any apps right here, but just for this video, I'm going to be using this simple QR code. Okay. Click open. Now it says here it needs a URL. So just enter the URL where you wanted your specific QR code to jump when someone scans the QR code. Okay, for example, our YouTube channel right here. Okay, I'm going to copy the link or URL, copy, go back to Canva, paste the QR code, generate. All right, there you go. Now go ahead and fit it like so. And once done, click on share. Wait for the download button. Save it as PNG, download. Wait for it. Now go ahead and save it wherever you want. Okay. QR. Save. Now go back to your Wix editor. Add the element. Now go ahead and find photo or image right here. Upload. Upload image. Okay. Upload from computer. Select the QR code. Open. Wait for it. Once done, just click on add to page. And here you have your QR code. Okay. If you want to, you can go ahead and make it smaller and to add maybe a text block like so. To visit our channel, scan this QR like so. Now you can go ahead and hit on preview. Then scan this QR code and you'll be landed to the same exact page. All right. Once you see this page, go ahead and subscribe. And that's how you create a QR code here on Wix. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.